Ron from Northwest Houston has a question about attic ventilation.
Well, he has no radiant barrier, and that's where his concern begins, Tom. Ron writes to us, when summer temperatures are about 100 or so, which happens a lot around here, my AC can only get to about 74, 75 degrees. I have the correct insulation and just 2 whirly-bird turbine vents up there. Do you think an attic fan might help, or installing a radiant barrier instead? Tom, Ron knows that he can spray that radiant barrier in there. He's just worried that it's going to mess up his insulation if he does that.
First off, it won't mess up the insulation, so don't worry about that. Secondly, a radiant barrier is going to be your best bet. An attic fan is not. It's not a ventilation issue by any means. Quite frankly, the air conditioner is too small. We hear this complaint every August on the show because people they aren't sizing the air conditioners aggressively enough to handle the peak times. They always want to handle just the mid-range, but never handle the peak, and that's a problem in the Houston area.
You want an aggressive chill.
Yeah, and so, we could get like a ductless system to beef it up for August and September when we start getting that kind of temperature, or July for that matter. But it's just too small. But out of everything you can do, a radiant barrier might help some, and it would definitely lower your energy bill if you keep it at a temperature that the air conditioning system can handle. But if you're trying to make the air conditioning system do more than it's designed to handle, it's going to cost you, and you're not going to get there.
Fair enough. Yep. All right, you got a question, send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom forum that you'll find right there on the homepage, and we'll answer it like these videos over here on your page. And if you click subscribe and the bell will ring yours when we post a new one, and you'll have our gratitude.